Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great today. Welcome back to another leather crafting tutorial. My name is David and in this video I'll show you how to make this simple leather valet tray. This is perhaps one of the easiest leather projects we've covered in this channel, and it's so easy to do that if you're looking to start working with leather, this along with a handmade keychain might be a good place to start. So for this project I use a black Horween Shell Cordovan that I actually purchased for another item, but when I got it I realized it wasn't as black as other pieces I had, so after a lot of thinking I decided to use this one for a valet tray instead. So you can see in this comparison of an Ashland wallet I have in black Shell Cordovan how different the wallet and this particular hide look. Now this doesn't mean the leather is in a bad condition, it simply appears lighter for what I needed for the other project. Also, this hide has two cuts that you can clearly see in the video. And in a valet tray, these cuts won't be seen in the end since the black side will be facing downwards. So the first thing to do was to cut a leather square of 24 times 24 centimeters. And since I'm not using any template for this project, I had to rely on my cutting ruler, X-Acto knife and metallic square. Since the square covered most of the Cordovan hide, there wasn't much scrap left over. However, these pieces are good for other items and I'm thinking on making a leather pen slip with them. When it comes to Shell Cordovan products, I've seen many projects with the edges left unstained. Shell Cordovan is a vegetable tan leather, which means it will develop a nice patina over time with use. And unfinished edges actually look very nice on a wallet or a pouch. However, a valet tray will not show significant signs of wear since it's mostly steel and left untouched during most of the day. So I opted to paint the edges with some Fibbings edge coat and then varnish them with a wooden slicker followed by some Tokonole gum and a small piece of canvas to polish and seal the edges for good. The last step is to stitch the sides by the edges together so we can make a concave space with the leather, kind of a squared bowl. And in this case, I measured 2.5 centimeters or roughly 1 inch from each edge of the leather square to both sides, and then joined those marks with a straight line. Then, with a 2-pronged diamond chisel and a poly mallet, I made 3 stitching holes on each of the sides so that when joined, both sides can be stitched at the same level and will close the edge of the valet tray, as you'll see in the video. To stitch the valet tray, I used a pair of John James needles size 002 and some Ritza 25 polyester thread, also known as tiger thread, in size 0.8. I find this size to be very comfortable to use and suggest it if you're looking to learn how to saddle stitch. So when all the edges have been stitched, we can call it a day. As simple as that. This valet tray is an amazing option if you're looking to craft a present gift for a loved one. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. This was a very short video tutorial and I truly hope you find it useful. If you like what you saw, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more leather content. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.